In today's video I'll tell you about 8 new features that appeared in iOS 13. Also, please write in the comments, did you know about these features that appeared in iOS 13? Take a seat, we begin. 1. Hidden text editing features. During text editing, users have the opportunity to launch a special panel for editing text. To call the panel, just hold 3 fingers on the screen of your device at the same time. The following buttons are available on this panel. Undo action to cut copy or repeat entry. You can also copy text in another way. Just select the text and make a capture with 3 fingers. Paste into an area using the opposite action previously performed. 2. A full-fledged scrolling appeared. It is necessary to capture the screen slider and move it in the direction you need. Safari, the site settings button appeared individually for each person. A download manager appeared. Safari settings now have the ability to close tabs according to specified parameters. Now you can scan documents immediately in files. This function allows you to scan documents instantly in iCloud. Now you can make an application from your iPhone in the Update tab in the App Stores. Now you can mute calls from unknown numbers. This function is located in the settings. 7. Now you can connect to a Bluetooth device and weave through the control point using 3D touch. 8. Now you can make a screen of the whole page. 'If you like this video, like and subscribe to our channel. Siri was with you.